a step-by-step tutorial on what we need to make a video for your project. The first thing you need to do is shoot your photos and videos horizontal. This is so they will fit in our format. You'll also want to shoot in high res. Then a picture of you. We can make you a chef, or an intro for your product, or in an animation. Next, we need the ingredients, your product, or what you need for a project. The next step is a photo of each ingredient and what you need to do with it. Example, tomatoes, cut into a medium dice. Green onions, cut into small slices. Same with how-to projects. Cut your tile into a martini glass and glue it down. You can also do short videos from 6 to 10 seconds long. These videos show all the ingredients for a recipe. This is a great time to tell the amounts and what you do with each product. It was done with about 12 short video clips, plus showing baking and the finished product. This also can be done with stills or a combination of videos and stills. Whether food, how-to, a product you want to sell, or a project you have. All the projects are different. This is just a guide for all the pictures and videos we need to make your video. We will edit, add voiceovers and music. We want your video to be great. This is a sample video we did for Cooking with Richard and Nancy. Today we're going to make clam dip. The ingredients you will need are cream cheese, can of chopped clams, lemon or limes, hot cherry peppers, and green onions. It's best to have your cream cheese at room temperature. Then we dice into 1-inch blocks. Green onions cut into small slices. We add the cream cheese to our food processor. Then the clam juice, about 3/4 of what's in the can. Next, blend well. A squeeze of lime. Add the cherry peppers. A can of clams. Just a little pulse. You don't want to remove the texture of the clams by over-mixing. Add the green onions, stir by hand, and put in a bowl. Add your favorite chips and enjoy. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com. If you have any questions, go to our website at www.cheeseburgerproductions.com. Then go to our contact page.